All right, so now we'll talk about our classic SCADA platform, InTouch. So let's start about talking about the new licensing tag tiers. So Aviva has recently updated the new tag tiers for InTouch, which is pretty exciting. This was done to unify the tag tiers across all the different SCADA platforms, such as InTouch, Plant SCADA, Development Studio for System Platform, and in the future, it will be Edge as well. So you can see in the image here that the previous tag counts were different between InTouch, Plant SCADA, and Edge, but now they're all the same. And these tag tiers correspond to the 4 Development Studio tiers. So you have your 1000 tag tier that corresponds to small, 2500 corresponds to medium, 10,000 to large, and then you have the unlimited tag tier. So the unlimited tag tier has been tested up to 300,000 tags actually, so it is in essence unlimited. So it should be suitable for your very large applications across these SCADA platforms and for InTouch. So these new tag tier count updates should make licensing easier for our customer base because now you don't have to worry about keeping track of different tag tiers across the different platforms, which I know sometimes led to some confusion in the past.